Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hell's Song. We'll start by understanding the song's overall structure, which includes distinct verse, chorus, and bridge sections. Ensure your guitar is tuned to standard E, A, D, G, B, E. We will then break down the essential power chord shapes that form the foundation of this energetic track, preparing you for each part. This foundational knowledge is key. Now, let's dive into the iconic verse riff. This section heavily relies on power chords like E5, G5, and A5, played with a driving rhythm. Mastering the palm muting technique is crucial here to achieve that signature tight, percussive sound. The tempo is quite fast, around 175 beats per minute, so practice slowly to build accuracy and speed. Moving on to the chorus, you'll encounter a powerful progression often blending open chords with robust power chords, creating a fuller sound. The bridge section then offers a dynamic shift, introducing new chord voicings and a slightly different rhythmic feel. Focus on making your transitions between the verse, chorus, and bridge as seamless as possible for a cohesive performance. Finally, let's tackle the guitar solo and the outro. The solo features melodic phrasing with expressive bends and vibrato, so pay close attention to intonation. The outro typically revisits a main riff, providing a strong, conclusive finish to the song. Developing precise picking accuracy and building speed will be essential for executing both the solo and any faster rhythmic sections effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.